Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news China is struggling to adjust to its slowing economic momentum. In China, prices for iron ore rose again on Friday, reversing the recent downward trend, and coal prices stayed up very high levels. Aluminium prices are now at their highest in 10 years. And the growth of profits generated by China's industrial companies slowed for the fifth straight month in July, adding to signs that the post-pandemic recovery of the world's second largest economy is losing momentum. But it's going to get harder to really know what's going on in China. Beijing is moving to crack down on any media, formal or social, that thinks it's bad-mouthing at the performance of its economy. Clearly, Beijing is unnerved by the reporting of the loss of momentum in economic drivers there. Only RARA reporting from inside China now. And China's policymakers are acknowledging they have a land use problem. They're concerned about the loss of arable land. Of course, some is going to urbanisation, but more is going into forestry and horticulture. In the US, Fed boss Powell gave his widely anticipated Jackson Hole speech over the weekend, but it was something of an anti-climax, with him repeating much of what he said after the last Fed review. He reaffirmed the central bank's plan to begin tapering this year and repeated why he expects a rise in inflation only to be transitory. In Australia, it's becoming clear that the country has probably slipped back into recession. Third quarter economic activity will probably decline, as it did in the second quarter, so that meets the technical definition of a recession. Australia went 28 years without one, now it's had two in the past 2 years. The US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at 1.31%, and the price of gold was up a strong $25 to end last week, and now at $1,817 an ounce, which is highest in a month, and a gain of 2.1% in a week. And oil prices have slipped back by 50 cents a barrel. So in the US, they're just on $68.50 a barrel, while the international Brent price is now just on $71.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens the week at 70.1 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're still at 95.9 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're starting out at 59.4 euro cents. That means our trade weight index starts today at 73.2 and still in the middle of the 72 to 74 range of the past 10 months. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below or on our website when the comments resume. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.